Backpacking demands ultralight gear, and you cannot do ultralight on a budget. Still, we tried to dig deeper and found some budget backpacking gear that is perfect for those who want to start their backpacking journey. Today's video is on 20 budget backpacking gear for beginners. The purchase link and the updated price are provided in the video description for your convenience. Let's get started. GigaPower Stove ticks all the right boxes. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry, perfect for those who need to minimize weight in their pack. Despite its small size, this stove packs a punch with a powerful 10,000 BTU output, ensuring rapid boiling times for quick meals on the go. The 4 foldable arms provide excellent stability, even on uneven ground, making it ideal for varied terrains you might encounter while camping or hiking. Not only is it durable and functional, but its elegant design also adds a touch of style to your outdoor cooking setup. Whether you're preparing a hot meal after a long day on the trail or simply boiling water for coffee, the GigaPower Stove delivers both efficiency and convenience, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious backpackers who don't want to compromise on performance. Snapfold Bowls offers an eco-friendly, practical solution to enjoying meals on the trail without the hassle of disposable waste. Weighing in at just 1.4 ounces each, these lightweight bowls are incredibly easy to carry, making them perfect for anyone trying to keep their backpack weight down. Their durability ensures they'll withstand the rigors of outdoor use, while their simple, foldable design makes them effortless to clean and pack away when not in use. By opting for these reusable bowls, outdoor enthusiasts not only reduce their environmental footprint, but also save money by eliminating the need for single-use alternatives. Whether it's for snacks or full meals, Snapfold Bowls provides a reliable, sustainable option for any backpacking trip, aligning with the growing push towards more responsible and environmentally conscious outdoor living. The TrueArc 5 Compass is an outstanding tool for intensive map work and just the right size for backpacking. It's built with a large base plate, ensuring accurate triangulation for anyone needing to navigate challenging terrain. Moreover, the global needle is capable of tilting up to 20 degrees, making it ideal for use worldwide. With tool-free declination adjustment, users can easily orient magnetic north to true north, streamlining navigation in diverse environments. For those working with fine map details, the map magnifier is a bonus, enhancing visibility. Coupled with a 2-degree resolution azimuth ring for precision, the TrueArc 5 offers everything a budget-conscious backpacker needs for reliable, detailed navigation. The HydraPack Contour Reservoir, with its slim profile, combined with shape-lock baffles, ensures water stays stable, preventing annoying sloshing while on the move. With the soft, flexible handle, it's easy to fill and carry. And the wide-opening slide seal top guarantees a leak-proof closure. The thoughtful design includes a 3D bottom for a streamlined fit in your pack, while the side-mounted tube connection offers convenient access when you need a quick sip. Additionally, the Contour's universal hanger allows it to attach seamlessly to various backpacks, adding flexibility to your setup. The self-sealing Comet Bite valve, equipped with a magnet, ensures secure attachment to pack straps and leak-proof operation with simple thumb activation. Available in sizes from 1.5 to 3 liters, the Contour is made from BPA and PVC-free materials and backed by HydraPack's Beyond Lifetime Guarantee, providing confidence in quality and durability. The 1.5-liter version is perfectly budget-friendly for any backpacker. Finding an ultralight tent on a budget is a bit hard, but the Nature Hike Vic 2 makes the cut, weighing in at just 3.6 pounds, a bit on the heavier side, but this tent is perfect for those looking to keep their load light while hiking, cycling, or exploring the outdoors. Its innovative double-Y freestanding structure makes setup quick and easy, even in rainy conditions, keeping the inner tent dry and comfortable. Built with durable 15D nylon lattice fabric and a silicone-coated waterproof layer, it's designed to stand up against wind and rain while ensuring you stay protected. The tent's design also prioritizes ventilation, featuring 2 ceiling vents and skylights that work together to minimize condensation. With a roomy interior measuring 83 by 45 by 35 inches, it comfortably accommodates 1 to 2 people, and the vestibule provides extra storage space for gear. Having a good boot is quite important for trekking, and the Timberland Mount Madsen collection offers a versatile solution. Available for men, women, and children, these waterproof hiking boots are perfect for both outdoor adventures and everyday wear. Featuring the Timberland Dry Membrane, these boots effectively seal out moisture, ensuring your feet stay dry in wet conditions, making them ideal for unpredictable weather. The recycled rubber outsoles not only provide solid traction on rugged terrain, but also showcase Timberland's dedication to sustainability. Additionally, the anti-fatigue footbed offers exceptional cushioning and support, reducing wear and tear on your feet during long hikes or extended use. They might seem costly, but you have to spend at least this amount for a good pair of boots. You're among those who hate to carry gas canisters on their trips. The Solo Stove Light can be the perfect alternative. Weighing just 9 ounces, this stove is both easy to carry and highly efficient, making it ideal for those looking to minimize pack weight without compromising on functionality. Its clever design uses only twigs and kindling for fuel, eliminating the need to carry bulky gas canisters. The stove's superior airflow ensures a clean, efficient burn, allowing even beginners to boil water in under 10 minutes. With a diameter of 4.25 inches and a height of 5.7 inches, it's compact enough to fit seamlessly into any backpacking kit. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, the Solo Stove Light is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The price tag of around $100 might seem too much for a simple stove, but if you want one backpacking stove that will last you for years, this is it. The Nightcore NU27 headlamp offers a hands-free light source during your nighttime journey. As the first headlamp to introduce multicolor temperature technology, it offers unmatched adaptability with 3 light temperatures: neutral white, warm light, and cool white. Whether you're navigating trails, setting up camp, or dealing with a power outage, this feature ensures optimal visibility for various conditions. The NU27 delivers a powerful 600 lumens with a wide beam pattern and long battery life from its built-in 850 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery. It also includes a red auxiliary light to reduce eye strain, along with SOS and beacon modes for emergencies. Weighing just 1.98 ounces, this headlamp is compact, lightweight, and designed for durability, waterproof, dustproof, and impact resistant. With intuitive controls, multiple brightness levels, and a multi-purpose clip for hands-free use, the Nightcore NU27 offers backpackers reliable and flexible illumination on a budget. Platypus Quick Draw Filter provides a full hydration solution. This compact and powerful system features a hollow fiber filter with over 1,000 fibers, effectively filtering down to 2 microns to remove microplastics, bacteria, and other contaminants. With an impressive high flow rate, it can filter 3 liters per minute when squeeze filtering and 1.75 liters per minute using gravity feed, ensuring you have access to clean water when you need it most. Its versatile design includes 2 caps, the drink cap for direct sipping and the connect cap for attaching to various bottles and reservoirs. Crafted from durable, grippy TPE, it's resistant to dirt and sand, and flared caps protect the filter from impact. Personalization is a bonus, as it comes in various colors to suit your style.